In last section I explained about the articles, and today in this section also I am going to explain main points and main topics and key points which are present in the articles and which are useful for the all competitive exams. If you see here, this article is going to qualify as a modifies and describes as a determiners at the same time adjectives also. And if you see first example, a boy, here boy is a noun and a is a article. That means we can understand before nouns we can use the article. If you see second example, a good boy. So boy is a noun, good is a adjective and a is article. So here also in the second example, before adjective we use the article a. And in the third example, a very good boy. Boy is a noun, good is a adjective, very is a adverb and a is a article. So here before adverb we use the a. That means what I want to say is that before noun we can use the articles, before adjective also we can use the articles, before adverb also we can use the articles, and these three examples are the useful. How can we use articles before noun, before adjective, before adverb. If you see here in English 26 alphabets are there. Out of 26 alphabets 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U. And actually an we have to use before vowel sounds. If you see vowel sound in Telugu, A to Au, and between A to Au so many letters are there. So if you understand that so many letters, that many sounds are there regarding the vowels. So between A to Au, all these sounds we have to use the an. Except these sounds, remaining sounds are known as the consonant sounds. So before the consonant sounds we have to use the a. So coming to consonant sounds, ka to taksha. So between these so many letters are there, so many sounds are there. So between these you can use the consonants, nothing but the a. So this is the usage and very important point regarding the an and a. So and we have to use before the consonant sounds, a to au. A we have to use before the consonant sounds, ka to kaksha. And the next one is the before countable nouns also we can use the articles. Before common nouns also we can use the articles. Before noun complements also we can use the articles, and before noun qualifying also we can use the articles, and regarding nationality also we can use the articles. And in the last class I explained about countable nouns, common nouns, noun complements, noun qualified and nationality. So these are the main points which are present in the articles. So here this a and an are indefinite articles. A or an, both are one only. Actually only two articles are there. First one is the definite article the, second one is the indefinite article a or an. So now coming to the definite article the. So if you see here the definite article the, we have to use the before particular person, before particular thing. For example, if you want to speak about any particular person, you can use the. If you want to speak about any particular place, you can use the. Or if you want to speak particular about thing, you can use the. That means here what I want to say is that if you want to mention particularly, whether it is a person or place or thing or whatever it may be, then you can use the. And we can say unique names also, single one which is present in this universe. If any person or if anything or if any place, it is a unique thing in this world, then you can use the. If you see sun, you can say the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the Jupiter. Because all these are unique things, only single is present. That's why we have to use the. At the same time, before the names of oceans, before the names of the oceans also, we can use the the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Sea, the Arabian Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So in this way you can use the. And next to sea, the Red Sea. Before the sea also we can use the. And before the rivers, the Ganga river, the Krishna river, the Yamuna river, in that also you can use. And before the canals, the Panama Canal, the Kakatiya Canal, there are so many canals are there. If you want to talk about particular canal, then you can go for the. And next coming to lakes, Don Lake, the Pulicat Lake. So next one is the bays, nothing but the Bay of Bengal. And next one deserts, you can mention the Sahara Desert, the Thar Desert. So if you want to talk particularly about Sahara and you can mention the. Next before the mountains, so the Himalayas and the Alphas. And before the hills, the Nilagiri Hills, the Shivalik Hills. And before the valleys, the Kashmir Valley. And before gulfs, the Persian Gulf. And before group of islands, the Andaman Nicobar Islands. The island means which was covered water four sides, that is known as the island. And the Japan Island. Next one, before plateaus, the Tibet Plateau. And before dams, the Nagarjuna Dam, the Srisailam Dam. And before holy books and great books, the Bible, the Quran, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavata, in this way. And next, before newspapers, before journalists, before magazines. So the Hindu paper, the Indian Express, the Eenadu, the Andhra Jyoti. In this way, before newspapers, before magazines also we can use the da. And next, before musical instruments, the flute, the drum, the guitar, which we used to play music. And coming to next one, superlative degree. In a superlative degree also we have to use the tallest, the smallest, the most beautiful, the most handsome. In this way, in a superlative degree we have to use the. But not for the positive and comparative degree. Only for superlative degree only we have to use the. And coming to next, ordinal numbers, the first, the second, the fifth, the 10th, the 9th, the 8th. In this way, for ordinal numbers also we can use the. And next, coming to nations prefixed, like the USA, the USSR. So in this way, for nations prefixed also we can use the. And next, before important events in history. In history, so many important events are there. So like that, regarding those type of important events, we have to use the. If you see the Second World War and the Quit India movement. So these are very, very important moments which are present in the history. So at that time we can use the. When we are going to speak particularly about the event which is present in the history, at that time we can mention like the Second World War, the Quit India movement. In this way we can mention. And before trains, ships and satellites. So the Golconda train, the Krishna train, the Shatabdi, the Rajdhani. In this way, before trains also we can use the. And before ships, the Titanic ship. And before satellites, the GSLV satellite. And before parts of the body. So if we want to talk about our parts of body, if we want to mention about parts of body, if you want to talk about any particular organ regarding parts of body, you can use the right cheek, the left ear. So when you are going to fill the biodata form, in that they will ask you and write particular instructions or moles on your body. At that time we used to write the mole on the stomach, the mole on the right cheek, the mole on the left ear. In this way we used to mention. And before the famous buildings, so in India so many famous buildings are there. So before the famous buildings we have to use the Taj Mahal, the Charminar, and next. So all these are about the indefinite articles. If you see, just now I told you very clearly, before unique things, before the particular names, before the particular things, before the particular places only we used the when we are going to speak about particular person, place and thing. Now coming to omission of articles or no articles. So regarding these points we are not allowed to use any article, like whether the definite article or indefinite article, whether the or a or an. So we are not allowed to use, especially regarding all these topics. So before proper noun, don't use any article. Don't use a and the. And before material nouns, before abstract nouns, before uncountable nouns, before relations like a father, mother, daughter, sister, uncle, auntie, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law. In this way, don't use articles. And the language, Telugu, Hindi, English, math, social science, in this way. And games and sports, cricket, hockey, football, basketball, chess, all this way. And plural nouns also. Names of days and months, before days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Don't use any article. Months, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, in this way. Next, before school, before college, before church, before prison, and before hospital. So regarding these things, don't use the articles. So if you want to use article particularly, then you can use in this also. For example, I did the breakfast in that hotel was excellent. So actually before lunch, before dinner, before supper, no need to use any article. But if I am going to mention particularly about the breakfast, lunch and dinner, at that time we can use the the. So these are the topics regarding the articles. So by this one we completed the articles within the two sections.